Did you know what that small hole at the back of an airplane is? It's the exhaust of a power generator that keeps the airplane running while parked. It's called the APU, short for Auxiliary Power Unit. A tiny jet engine hidden in the tail, the APU provides electricity and air pressure to power the cabin lights, air conditioning, and cockpit systems when the main engines are off. That humming sound you hear while boarding? That's the APU running. Once the main engines start, it's shut down before takeoff. Next time you board, listen closely. That background hum is the airplane's hidden generator at work.